Joyfully greet each new day with a song in your heart that offers praise to God, and end each day thinking about His wonderful love and faithfulness. It just takes a minute to connect with the heart of the one who never leaves you. Day or night, let your spirit be refreshed and renewed as you come to the Lord in prayer, confident that He hears your slightest whisper. Share with Him the needs and desires of your heart, and watch how day after day, night after night, He cares for you. He smooths out your path and brightens your way.